In this video, you will learn how men aged 35 to 44 clean their PLA 3D printers with steel sheet beds. If you have a resin printer or a glass sheet or something like that, then this video is not for you. Rule number 1. Your 3D printer should not be warm, because then the solution we use will vaporize. Rule number 2. We don't want this in our eyes, so use glasses. Rule number 3. We don't want this on our hands, so use gloves. Rule number 4. This is a flammable product, so don't smoke or put it on fire or something like that. Just read the safety instructions and you'll be fine. This product is called isopropyl alcohol. Put some on regular paper and wipe that spring sheet bread gently. By doing this on regular intervals, you will get better 3D prints and you will have less fails. Always read the instructions from your 3D printer manufacturer and you'll be fine. Good luck.